Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will and welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my best high calorie shake recipes. If you struggle to get in your food during the day and you want an easy way to get in your calories, well, today's high calorie shakes are gonna be for you. Now, before I get into the shake recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're a skinny guy looking for more shake recipes, maybe you want meal plans, workouts, and you just wanna bulk up and gain more weight, gain more muscle. If that sounds like you, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been following me for a while now, make sure after this video to go click the first link down in my description and go get yourself a 10 pounds in 30-day cheat sheet for free. And I'll show you exactly how you can gain 10 pounds in the next 30 days on my cheat sheet. So let's get straight into today's video. So I want to quickly share with you 3 of my best recipes when it comes to high calorie shakes. Now, if you don't know what high calorie shakes are, they're basically the best strategy for skinny guys to gain more calories during their day if you really struggle to eat food. So I recommend that my clients include, a couple of shakes here and there if they really struggle to get in the food during the day. So I highly recommend you use these shakes whenever you feel like you're struggling to get calories in, because high calorie shakes are a really easy way to get in those calories in one simple serving, okay, or one simple shake. So some of these high calorie shakes that I'm going to recommend you are 500 to even 1,000 calories, and today's ones are 1,000 calories and up, okay? So this is going to give you a massive boost during your day and really going to help you hit your calorie targets. So let's get straight into the recipes. So the first recipe I highly recommend for you is my iced coffee shake, okay? So if you don't like coffee, maybe you'll like the shakes in a second, but if you are a coffee lover, this is gonna be amazing for you. So I'm gonna put up the recipe on your screen here. So it's gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes to make this shake, probably around 5 minutes. And you can split this into 1 to 2 servings depending on how much you can actually get down in a shake. Usually, sometimes I like to split it in 2 servings. I like to take it with me. If you're in school or university, you might take it to university and split it in 2 servings. Maybe have some for breakfast, then have some during the day and finish it off, okay? So this shake per serving, you're gonna get 846 calories. Super high calorie shake. 80 grams of protein, 154 grams of carbohydrates, and 19 grams of fat. So super nutritious shake for you. Ingredients, you're gonna need 200 mils of whole milk. You're gonna need some iced coffee, black coffee, 200 mils. You're gonna need 1 medium banana. You're gonna need 90 grams of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 scoops of whey protein. Now you can supplement with other types of protein if you get allergies or you get acne. You can try egg protein, pea protein, soy protein. Those can all work too, but let's stick to the recipe here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the milk, you're gonna place the whey protein, all the ingredients that I just described to you in a blender. You're gonna blend on medium for 10 to 15 seconds. You can also add in some ice before you blend it to make it nice and chilled. Blend on high until smooth, then serve with ice, and then you can break it into multiple servings. So that is the first recipe, super tasty recipe. Try it out in the next 30 days. So let's get into the second recipe. So second recipe is very high calorie. If you want to get 1,000 calories in one simple shake, this one is for you. So 1,000 calorie Canadian shake. Now, why is it called Canadian? Well, if you look at the ingredients here on the screen here, you'll know why, okay? So this again will take you around 5 minutes to make. You can split it into 1 to 2 servings. And this one, you're gonna need 300 mils of whole milk, 1 medium banana. You're gonna need 1 ounce of maple syrup or 30 mils. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 90 grams of rolled oats, and 2 scoops of whey protein. So instructions is on the screen for you, so make sure to screenshot it and use it later. So nutrition wise, you're gonna get 1,012 calories in just one shake. Super easy way for you to boost your calories during the day. 73 grams of protein, 137 grams of carbohydrates, and 37 grams of fat. So try this shake out for you. Try this shake out for yourself in the next 30 days to start getting amazing results, start gaining more weight. So the last shake, the third shake, is my infamous Nutella Shake. So I'm a very, very big fan of Nutella, and if you like Nutella, this is gonna be perfect for you. Again, gonna take 5 minutes to create. 1 to 2 servings, you can split down because it's a high calorie shake. This one, you're gonna need 300 mils of whole milk. You're gonna need 1 medium banana. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of Nutella, 100 grams of full fat vanilla Greek yogurt, and 2 scoops of whey protein, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place all the ingredients, place the milk, whey protein into a blender. Same thing, blend on medium for 10 to 15 seconds until it's smooth. Again, you can add ice, and then you're gonna have a very nicely chilled, very tasty and nutritious shake, okay? So calories wise, it's about 894 calories. You can get 79 grams of protein for this shake, 73 grams of carbohydrates, and 32 grams of fat. So basically, those are my best shake recipes. I've got tons of more recipes to come out, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. But I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Make sure to try them in the next couple of months to gain more weight, build more muscle, and boost your calories. If you really struggle with your appetite, if you really struggle to get in your food, this is really gonna help. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need help, you want me to coach you one-on-one, mentor you in the next couple of months to gain your first 30 pounds of muscle, maybe you want customized meal plans, customized workouts, make sure to click the link down below. Go apply for my customized coaching program. We will build you a customized plan to start gaining more weight and personally mentor you with Facebook, email support, and guide you along the way so you get results. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to apply below. I will reach out and see if you're a good fit and see if we can help you. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.